Hi, this is Donnie and Angela from And More Art.
And this is our attempt at a strainer pour with resin, which I have seen little success with working, yet Donnie found the steamer in the store and thought, why not?
In my defense, I mostly wanted it because it was made of silicone and I figured it would be easy to clean.
But I don't think anything, like you can just pour on anything made of silicone and it's going to be beautiful.
No, but at least you can clean it really nice.
You know, it did mostly clean out nice, but I had to take out little tiny pegs out of every single one of those little holes. So if we can think of a project to use little pegs for, I got us covered.
We can make our own pegboard.
There we go. Well, wait, it's kind of opposite? It's the pegs, not the... Okay.
Anywho.
So, off topic a bit. Our colors here, we have Lorez Midnight Black, Lorez White. The yellow is Color Obsession Bananas mixed with some bright yellow PearlEx. And purple is the Black Diamond Purple Haze, and it just wasn't quite purple enough, so I went ahead and stuck some Lorez Purple Rain in there.
So, in just a few short seconds here, you're going to see how these colors worked out for us.
Well, I thought contrasting colors would be best, which I still think that is the best idea. I just didn't pick very good colors. And you should probably stick with colors you're familiar with and that you like when you're trying something new.
Yeah, so...
Here's our end result.
Those colors not amazing.
There was a lot of cells on there somehow.
The pattern itself is kind of neat. So I think the strainer did something interesting.
So it's a fail.
Yeah, it didn't.
But I learned things.
It didn't work out great. But we definitely learned we used way too much resin. As you can see, it overflowed like crazy. Absolutely like crazy. But it did get some pretty cool effects, even though the whole freaking thing shifted.
So try again.
Learn from our mistakes, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to boop that subscribe button.